guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So my eyebrows are done and I am satisfied with that. Now I'm just going to do a little skincare to prep my skin before I apply my makeup. So don't forget your neck when you're applying your skincare, because your neck is also as important as your face. So once I'm done doing my skincare, I'll come back and continue this voiceover. I haven't done a voiceover in like a long time. That's also tiring to do, but I'll be right back once I'm done with my skincare so we can start off with the eye makeup. Alright guys, so once my skincare is thoroughly done, I'm going to start off with the eyes. So first off, I'm going in with my Snazaro white face paint, and that is going to be my base for the eyeshadows I am going to use today. Just because I'm doing a very colorful bold look, I have to use white so the shadow or the pigment pops. So going into my Barry Fall in Love palette, I'm just going to take this neutral shade or this light brown shade and apply that on my crease. Once I'm done with that, I'm going into my Nuban Beauty hybrid palette and taking this green shade. I'm just going to keep applying the green shade until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation or the depth of the green. Once I'm done with that, you remember you always have to blend. The key to any colorful look is to blend. No harsh lines, no harsh edges. So I added a little pink into it, but I didn't want the pink to like pop or really stand out, so I just added just a little pink to the makeup look. Now going back into that my Snazaro white face paint, I'm just using that to cut out my crease where the neon green pigment is going to be. So now applying my neon green pigment, and yeah. So now once that neon green pigment is all put up, I'm going back into that green shade just to apply that at the outer corners of my eye. Once I'm done blending that into that neon green, I'm taking this black eyeshadow from my NYX Avant Pop shadow palette, and because I really wanted this look to really look dramatic and smoky, because most of the Eid makeup looks I've seen, they're really dramatic and smoky and like heavy on the eyes sometimes. Like daring ones that are heavy, so yeah, I felt like going daring. Besides, I love me some color. So anyways, once that is done, I'm going to apply my gel liner, which is from Zickel. I love this gel liner, it is bomb. Alrighty, so both eyes are now done. Now we're going to go into my face makeup. So I'm going into my Revlon Photo Ready Prime Plus Anti-Shine Primer. Just gonna prime my entire face. I love this primer, like it just makes your skin so smooth and all that. So today I'm going to be starting with concealing, and OMG guys, like, you know that point when you're trying to like squeeze out product from your concealer, the thing just popped on my eyes. I was like, what the hell? Oh my god, after I suffered to do this eye look. But anyways, I corrected that off camera and moving on back into the tutorial. So I'm applying my concealer first to hide all those Ghana must go bags under my eyes. Then going into my foundation, which is the Jordana Complete Coverage 2-in-1 foundation. I'm mixing that with my Nuban Beauty Aurora Glow Illuminator, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. So once I'm done applying that all over my face, don't forget your neck, your jawline, everywhere's gotta rhyme, everywhere's gotta look good together, so your face don't look like a mask and your neck is looking like a human being. So anyways, once I'm done applying that, I wanted, because I really blended out the concealer a lot more, I'm just going in with a little touch of more concealer under my eyes. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Coty Airspun to set my under eye makeup and to contour or reverse contour my nose, and yeah. So once that is done, getting into my Estee Lauder double matte powder, I'm going to use that to just make sure or set everywhere and dust off all that excess powder on my face. So once I'm done with that, applying some mascara and then going in with my Paula Beauty waterproof eyeliner in black. So I'm really going heavy-handed with the eyeliner. Then once I'm done with that, because you know the Eid is a lot of the Eid makeup looks I've seen, they really have like really smoky under eyes. That's what I wanted to do. So I'm going in with that black from the NYX palette and mixing it with that green from that Nuban Beauty palette, so that it's like kind of like a pop of green in the black. So I'm just using that and going heavy-handed and smoking my under eye. So guys, both eyes are done and I've popped on my lashes. So now I'm just gonna set my face with my ZK setting spray so my face don't move. Yes. And then OMG guys, kilowatt, trophy wife. Guys, I haven't used my trophy wife, my Fenty Beauty trophy wife in a while. Like, I'm gonna pop that girl out and use her today, and boy oh boy did she complete this look. Like, hello baby, you're looking fly. Yes girl. Anyways, I'm gonna change now. Yes, full regalia. But I make a very fine Hausa bride do or a Muslim bride. I don't know anyone, but I look good with this attire. Like, I had to go on YouTube to actually like look at the styles of like head wraps and stuff like that. So yeah, and I decided to accessorize mine with like a little butterfly and brooch. So anyways, once I'm done with that, onto the lips. I line my lips with my NYX lip liner and then going into this BH Cosmetics lipstick palette, and I'm just going to apply that on my lips. And yes guys, the entire look is complete. So I ended up adding like a little brooch on my head just to complete the look. You know, I took some pictures without the brooch and with the brooch, and I was like, it actually like complements it, makes it look nice. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.